If you're experiencing audio desync issues on your Steam Deck, follow these simple steps to quickly resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the audio sync issue effectively. Step 1. Restart your Steam Deck. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Power off your Steam Deck completely and then turn it back on to see if the audio desync persists. Step 2. Check audio settings. Navigate to the audio settings in your Steam Deck. Ensure that the audio output device is correctly selected and that the volume levels are appropriately set. Adjusting these settings may help sync the audio. Step 3. Update software. Make sure your Steam Deck is running the latest software version. Go to the system settings and check for any available updates. Installing the latest updates can fix bugs that may cause audio issues. Step 4. Adjust game settings. If the audio desync occurs while playing a specific game, check the in-game audio settings. Look for options related to audio latency or sync and adjust them to see if it improves the situation. Step 5. Reset to factory settings. If all else fails, consider resetting your Steam Deck to factory settings. This will erase all data, so back up any important files first. After the reset, set up your device again and check if the audio is now in sync. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve audio desync issues on your Steam Deck quickly. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.